Okay, so here we have rotational equilibrium and translational equilibrium. We can say that due to translational equilibrium for part A, we can say that 2 times the force minus 2 times the weight equals 0. So we can say that, of course, the force again is going to equal the weight. We can say that due to the rotational equilibrium, the net torque equals 0. So this will be the force times L times sine of theta divided by 2. Minus force sub c times L over 2 cosine of theta over 2, and then minus the weight L over 2 sine of theta over 2. So at this point, this is equaling 0 again, and we can say that 2w sine of theta over 2 minus f sub c of cosine of theta over 2 minus w sine of theta over 2. Again, here the L's all cancel out. This is going to equal, again, 0. And we find that f sub c is simply going to be equal to w tan of theta over 2. And this is equaling 260 newtons times tangent of 26.5 degrees. F sub c is found to be 130 newtons. So this would be your answer for part A. And then for part B, we know that the crossbar holds the beams apart. So we can say that the crossbar experiences a compressive force. And for part C, we can say that why does the hinge not exert any vertical force? Hinge doesn't exert any vertical force because here, because of the symmetry, the upward force by the wire is balanced by the downward force of gravity. So that would be your answer for part C. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.